Women are like Iron Man. This is my favorite character in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. But so one thing I'm always wondering is if when he's shooting a cannon out of his arm, where did it come from? Because the cannon is always being way too much bigger than the suit could even fit in it. Even though his suit is technically pretty big, the cannon is always much larger. And I got one of them at my dad's house. We aren't always playing with them together. So whenever my mom comes and picks me up, she's always asking, "Where's my Iron Man?" Because she knows when I have my Iron Man, I'm going to be happy with it. Every time I leave the house, I cannot go without my